breaking news coming in. Now remember, there is a heightened scrutiny when it comes to NEET, CBSE, all of that, the leak row and more. And in the backdrop of it, what has happened? There is another exam where there have been, or rather, which is in a question mark, Common University Entrance Test for undergraduates, also known as a CUET UG 2026. This examination reportedly has been delayed. Now, it has been delayed at some centers due to a quote-unquote technical glitch. Now, the agency itself has spoken out, its NTA, clarifying that the issue was promptly resolved and assured that no candidate is going to be put at a disadvantage. The afternoon session, initially scheduled earlier, was delayed by an hour. It began at 4 p.m. NTA said it affected all the candidates. They were given full compensatory time to ensure fairness and smooth conduct of the examination. The post by the NTA also on your screens. This is obviously a very, very crucial exam which is, has been delayed. What has NTA said? Let me very quickly read this entire post for you. They have said that there was reported a technical glitch at their end. It delayed the commencement of this particular exam at certain center. This was obviously, this is the explanation coming in from the side of the NTA. Issue resolved. They say exam is conducted, compensatory time is given. No student will be put at a disadvantage. My colleague Kritika is live with us. Kritika, take us through, what were the technical glitches which have emerged during this particular exam and what has the NTA said? And is that satisfactory? Have you spoken to some students? Are they satisfied by this?
Meenakshi, now what we're learning from the National Testing Agency is that there was a server glitch as far as TCS is concerned, the organization which is in fact responsible for the smooth conduct of this exam. Currently also I'm reporting outside this very center. All around us you can in fact see parents, students all gathered in. I'm currently reporting from Sector 64 in Noida. This is in Uttar Pradesh, in Noida, Sector 64. I've been speaking to parents who have come in from as far as Rohini. Now all of these students here, they're here for their afternoon examination, which was supposed to begin in shorter while from 1 p.m., which is currently the time that we're also reporting at. Entry should have begun. However, we are seeing all parents and in fact students all line up here. Announcements are being made at the gate, wherein the officials here are informing the students that the entry will now start in at 2. Parents have been here in fact since quite early in the morning. Sir, अगर मैं आपसे थोड़ी सी बात कर पाऊँ, आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
कालका जी दिल्ली से आए।
कालका जी से आपका नोएडा सेंटर पड़ा। कितने बजे तक आप पहुंच गए होंगे रफली?
हम यहाँ पहुंच गए तकरीबन 1 बजने में 10 मिनट पे।
ओके, आपको ये
1 बजे की एंट्री का टाइम था, गेट बंद किया हुआ है। अभी अनाउंसमेंट करी है इन्होंने कि अभी 2:30 पे एंट्री मिलेगी।
2:30 पर मिली थी। आपको कब इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली कि एंट्री की तरफ?
जस्ट अभी
यहाँ आने के बाद। So this is of course Meenakshi also, yes, NTA has taken note of the glitch. However, by the time the information came in to the parents, to the students, they're already now lining up, blazing heat. There is a heat wave also going on. Sir, आप किधर से आए थे? आपके वार्ड, आप किधर के ब्लॉक?
सुबह ही 7 बजे का हुए।
7 बजे क्या पाए?
हाँ, फिर जो 2-3 घंटे इनको बैठा के बच्चों को बोल दिया कि वो डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा है पेपर अभी।
आपके मॉर्निंग बैच में थे आप?
हाँ, मॉर्निंग बैच में था अभी इसका। अब कल भी था पेपर, आज का इन्होंने कैंसिल कर दिया। अब ये पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगाएंगे फिर इसमें। फिर दोबारा से आना पड़ेगा। सुबह से पेरेंट पड़े हैं यहाँ पे, सभी के परेशान है बच्चे सब।
सर, आप 7 बजे आ गए थे, आप किधर के रहने वाले हैं? आप कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल?
अपना डिस्ट्रिक्ट मुजफ्फरनगर है।
मुजफ्फरनगर से आप नोएडा 64 सेंटर पे आप कितना डिस्टेंस होगा लगभग?
यहाँ से तकरीबन 102 किलोमीटर।
102 kilometers. Another parent has travelled 7 a.m. They had reached here. Sir, आपसे भी सेम यही बात जानना चाहेंगे?
7 in the morning here.
7 in the morning. Your son also had to write.
My son had the first shift exam, but it got cancelled. And then I can see on the NTA Twitter handle that they are saying that the exams are being again rescheduled.
Right.
So we are not getting any information. So I came back. So I've come from Bhiwadi. It's around 85 kilometers from here.
Right. How much time did it take you to travel in the morning?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hour travel. You're here since 7 in this blazing heat. So I also want to understand, these are already there is a lot of scrutiny on the Ministry of Education as far as different exams are concerned. This is a technical server glitch. This is what the NTA says. How does this impact, say, your day, your children's preparation also as far as these exams are concerned?
See, the problem is that we have to wait for the CUT exams, and then the other colleges which we are opting for. So we have to kind of delay that admissions. So we are not sure when the exams will be now conducted and the next admissions which we are trying to take. So we have to wait for those. So obviously then the student who is prepared for today, he has to again come back.
It is the mental state once again. You know, the ministry says that they're trying everything possible in order to reassure students. However, I'm standing around a lot of students who are still shrouded by uncertainty, not sure of when
Absolutely. So obviously there is a lot of uncertainty which is shrouding the students, as you were telling us. Why don't you stay with us? Because viewers, politics has already begun over this particular delay. There are attacks coming in already. Aam Aadmi Party is the first one which has latched on to the issue. Former Delhi Chief Minister Atashi has hit out and said lakhs of students were to take the exam in multiple parts of India, and after waiting for hours, these notices have been put up outside certain centers. AAP Chief Kejriwal also has said that country needs, better management when it comes to these issues. Politics already beginning. The exam delay leading to a lot of politics. AAP is attacking the Modi government over this alleged delay. We are putting out obviously the posts as well. Atishi, Arvind Kejriwal directly attacking the Prime Minister, demanding direct questions from the centre. Kritika continues to be live with us. Kritika, you took us through the reactions of the students, put the story in perspective for us. Now take us through the politics which has begun over the delay.
Well, as soon as, in fact, information of delays as far as the morning shift of today's CUET exam is concerned. Now, again, this is happening in the backdrop of students already constantly logging into the CBSE portal for the verification and the revaluation of their marks. And now we are seeing that their exams, their entrance exams to, say, Delhi University and other colleges also stand stalled for a lot of them and rescheduled for some as well. As far as the politics is concerned, we can see that the Aam Aadmi Party is now hitting out against the centre yet again. We have Atishi, who is questioning the Prime Minister. We have Arvind Kejriwal also making very strong comments, in fact, against the Prime Minister. Earlier in the day, we had seen how Rahul Gandhi had roped in the Prime Minister as well as the central government for the irregularities that were noted in NEET as well as the CBSE. And now the same story is playing out as far as this glitch in the CUET server is concerned. Over to you, Meenakshi.